Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is significant. It is pronounced sig-nif-a-cant, and it is spelt S-I-G-N-I-F-I-C-A-N-T. Think sig, then nif, then the letter I, and then cant, C-A-N-T, without the apostrophe, of course. Significant means important or having a meaning or effect. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about something that is noteworthy or meaningful. For example, you could say, the discovery of a new planet was a significant achievement for the scientists. Or you could say, the increase in my practice test score was significant for my 11 plus exam preparation. And I think this, of course, we're going to be saying in very short time. The word significant comes from the Latin word significare, which means to signify. If you signify something, it means you indicate or show that it is important, that it is of note. Can you think of anyone significant in your life? Perhaps your parents, family, teachers, or friends. If they are important to you in your life, then you could also describe them as significant. Significant can be used in many different contexts and situations, whether it's talking about a key scientific discovery or someone who is important to you. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, significant. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.